You're watching Airbnb Automated, and today, we're unboxing everything. Today, we're unboxing everything for the kitchen. Welcome back, Airbnb family. What's going on in the kitchen? Well, let's get right to it. This is video 1 of 2, Kitchen Edition. Number 1 is making it work in small spaces, which can seem tough because we want to do a couple things. It has to be picture perfect so people will want to stay, and it has to be complete so you get good reviews, and of course you have to make it work. Here, so I'm about to turn my camera around and the mic so you can hear me. Okay, here we go. So, what we have is this place is small enough that it does not have enough cabinet space for everything, but they obviously knew that. So there's an exposed area that I'm putting my paper towels and my coffee right there, and that's good enough, right? So let's bring you through some facts. When you have a studio like this, you do not need a lot of everything. So I have 6 drinking glasses and 4 wine glasses. 4 is the minimum of anything I'd get, even though most of the time I'll only have 1 or 2 people in the studio. A lot of individual travelers. So you've got plates and you've got your silverware. The plates do not fit in a regular cabinet. This is the main problem here. Like I said, tight spaces. See, that will not fit. So we are getting a stepping stool so people can step up, because this is about 6 something high. This is probably about 6'6". So people need to step up. And the same thing with the pots and pans here. So the reason why I would get a studio this small, by the way, here, let me talk to you, my shadow. So hey everybody, hi. The reason why I would get a studio this small is because it's based on location, how close it is to a point of interest. So people want to walk very short distances to a place, like a high-rise where they do business or a place where they can go party. So studios are great because it gives you location, and that's why they want to stay here. So we're making it work. With that said, let me talk to you about this wonderful piece of technology. These are knives. This is a knife set. This knife set actually came with the silverware. Normally when you buy a knife set, you buy the silverware separately. So these together are the same price as buying this silverware and buying this knife set here. This is a normal knife set that people buy. This is the one that I bought initially, and it's got that little block thing, and it's got everything you want, like scissors and everything. But this is junk. It's trash. You are trash. So that does not impress guests. This is not impressive. This, not impressive. Okay, by the way, let me explain. These boxes are because I'm setting up multiple Airbnbs in the same space. I'm staging this one, and I can set up all 3 Airbnb accounts because they will look identical. I bought 3 of everything. That's a pro tip. So moving back. Now that we know which knife set is trash, this knife set is not trash. We love this knife set. Let me show you why. Just look at how quality these knives are. This thing looks so good. I feel like I'm in like some sort of movie. But it has all of your cooking knives, bread, steak knives. The steak knives are the serrated kind, by the way, which I mean, this is still a value branded knife set. It just looks really good. And it comes with this extra peeler, cutter, shredder. You'll hurt yourself if you're not careful thing. And it comes with one of the auto angle sharpeners, so you don't have to use that manual pole thing that you can cut yourself on. So anyway, between this and my Star Wars coffee mugs, this place can be photographed well, because photographs matter. So even though the plates came with the mugs that they came with, I still buy some coffee mugs with some personality. Capiche? Of course. So you'll want kitchen towels, stuff like that. Of course, like we talked about, you want the pots and pans, but because people don't cook very often, you don't need to supply a lot of spices and stuff. People will start to supply them, and I'm sure all of you Airbnb hosts have noticed that like all of a sudden curry or cumin has popped up or tarragon and you never bought it. That happens. So just start with salt, pepper, olive oil, and non-stick cooking spray. That's it. If you want to buy ketchup and mustard, you can, but people don't expect it, and it will find its way to your fridge eventually. Now, you'll notice that this fridge does not have a filter, and neither does the sink. So if you do not have filtered water, you will buy a water filter. and keep it, because people would expect that from you, especially if they're from a place like Flint, Michigan, where the water will kill you. You should probably be considerate, just for people's peace of mind. Of course, cooking utensils matter, like we've discussed before. So now let me once again set down the camera, and I'm going to turn it around so you can see me one more time, so you don't have to talk to my shadow again, because that was weird. All right, and we're back. So what we've covered is a studio-sized kitchen. You can fit everything to very small spaces like this. You need very basic things to make it work. We're about to do the video on a 2-bedroom and how to make that kitchen work, because there's going to be some appliances and some extras in there that you did not see here, and they come for a very real reason. So stay tuned for video number 2. Let's get to the big kitchen.